Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you, the student of LPS? I am your teacher Masum Billah. Today it is your third class. Today it is your third English class with me. This is English for today for class 3. Today I will start a new lesson, that is Unit 25. Unit 25 and page number 50. In this page, today we will learn about the sound of some animals. Unit 25, at the top of this page, you can see here what sounds do they make. This is the title of this lesson. And the activity A, listen and say. Activity A, in here you will see some picture of animals. This is a cat, a frog, a crow, a duck, a dog, and a goat. In every pictures below there is a line about the sound of this animal. Here this is a cat mews. Here mews means বিড়ালের ডাক, অর্থাৎ a cat produce a sound that is called mews. Clear? A cat mews. Same things, a frog croaks. So frog's sound is croak. A crow caws. A duck quacks. A dog barks. A goat bleats. Okay? This mews, croaks, caws, quacks, barks and bleats are the sound of these animals. Now in the activities B, read and match. There are two columns. In the left side there are some animals name here. This is dog, cat, crow, goat, duck and frog. And the right side, these words means the sound that produced by the animal. You have to match with the left side with the right side with correct word. One problem has already done. This is dog. Dog's sound is bark. So here a lion has drawn between the two words. So you have to do all the rest of the words by this same process. Clear? So now the second word is cat. This second animal is cat. Cat sound is meow. So here cat sound, cats match with the word meow. And now crow. Crow sound is cow. So crow means crow's sound is cow. Okay, goat. Goat sound is bleat. So here goat match with the word bleat. So goat bleat. Duck. Duck sound is quack. So duck meet with the word quack. And frog. The frog match with the word croak. Clear? So we have done already this activity B. And see, the third activity is read and write in your exercise book. Here this is a picture and here you have to write the name and sound. So this is a picture of a dog. So a dog barks. Here you can write a dog barks. Same things, the cat, a cat mews. So here you have to write a cat mews. A frog croaks. So here you have to write a frog croaks. And a crow caws. Here a crow caws. Clear? Okay. Now come to the next page. The next page, page number 51. Page number 51. Here the same things we will do the same things. Clear? What sound do they make? Here there are also some pictures of animals, and every animals have a separate sound. So here the picture is, this is a hen, a horse, a lion, a tiger, a cow, a pigeon. So hen sound is cluck. So a hen clucks. A horse knees. A lion roars. A tiger growls. A, a cow mows. A pigeon crows. So this word means the sound of the animals. Clear? Now in the activity B, there is a box. In every box there are some pictures and some words. You have to point and say the animal or the sound. This is the picture of a pigeon. So pigeon sound is crows. This is the word that is moo. The moo is a sound that produced by a cow. So a cow moos. This is a picture of a tiger. A tiger sound is growls. So tiger growls. This is croak. Croak is a sound that produced by a frog. So frog. So here croak is the sound of a frog. So a frog croaks. This is the picture of a cat. So a cat sound is here mews. So a cat mews. Roar is the sound of a lion. So a lion roars. You can write in your exercise book. Roar, a lion roars. You have to do this task with the other one. This is pair work. Okay. This is a picture of a dog. A dog sound is here. A dog barks. So you can write in your exercise book, a dog barks. Cluck. Cluck. A duck. A goat or a hen. Okay. A hen sound is cluck. This is a picture of a horse. The horse sound is sneeze. Quack. Quack is a sound that produced by a duck. So you can write a duck quacks. This is a picture of a goat. A goat's blade. Cow. This is the picture of a crow. A crow sound is cow. Clear? So in this way you have to finish this task. I hope all of you can understood this lesson very well. Now everybody will do the matching with these animals with the words, and in that pictures you have to match with these animals sound with the picture. Okay, this is your home task. Okay, now goodbye. Thank you.